Future of BIM. Presented by Amr Atef. We faced a case of a project that contains about 400 rooms in each level, and it was a big hassle when the architecture team started the detailing phase, which is creating the room finishes. The professional architect can create about 100 rooms per day, so we are talking about 4 days of donkey work to just finish this repetitive task. But because we are developing on the top of Revit by Dynamo and Python, we have executed this repetitive task by creating about 3,600 walls finishes in one time. Every wall had a specific type and a specific height, in just 10 minutes through a few clicks. So what is BIM and what is the real value of AI in BIM, also what we can do with such system, and what we have reached to now. So what is BIM? BIM refers to Building Information Modeling, but what does this actually means? To clarify this meaning, let me ask you a question. What was the world fuel in 18th and 17th centuries? Yes, it's the coal. And what was the world fuel in 1820? Yes, the natural gas has been discovered. And so on. Humans discovered many ways of energy and fuels like solar power, fossil fuels, petroleum, nuclear power, geothermal energy, and the wind energy. But let me ask you, what is the real world fuel nowadays? The information. With plenty amount of information we can build smart cities and make things easy and available. So the real power of BIM is in the information that is assigned to the building, leading the way to make the building like a puzzle. You only need to gather each parts together, but how we can use this information? First, we can use this information in the educational process by creating tools that can keep the architectural student on the right track by following up his design and check it instantly, to correct him if he is messing up the proportions, for example, or the ratio of the openings in the building. Second, we can automate the workflow of the repetitive tasks that can be done with no effort like the previous example. Third, artificial intelligence could lead the way of the future by think and design instead of humans. It actually can find the patterns and follow up to create what is required. We have reached to now 2 of a very strong scripts that can show a little bit aside of the future. The first one is creating automatic room finishes that can reduce a big time with no effort. The second script can automate the creation of foundation. Finally, we hope to reach the full automation process in the future. But would this revolution completely replace the human tasks?